Undunankulu wesifundazwe eLimpopo uthi abantu besifazana kumele baxwaswe noma bahlukunyezwe.
As a provincial government and as the people of Charlotte Maxeke, our contribution to honoring her legacy is to continue the fight against the exclusion and oppression of women. We are committed to fighting against gender oppression in all its different manifestations.
Owengamele ezempilo esifundazweni eLimpopo Dr. uPoppy Ramathuba uthi abantu besifazane bayimbokodo futhi bayakwazi ukumelana nobunzima.
We felt that it's important that when the whole country is honoring women. So as women who are in medicine, women who are in the health sciences, we need to honor Charlotte Maxeke, who is the first woman to graduate, black woman to graduate with a science degree. We believe that she has paved the way for us.
Ngisho namaphoyisa omgwaqo abantu besifazana athi ikhona indlela zokuthuthukiswa kwayo imbokodo.
As we all know that it's Women's Month, we are celebrating successes of women, not only in Gauteng or Johannesburg, but around the world, but also creating and educating the community in terms of road safety, crime prevention and bylaws. And in the operation here, we have different units that are represented here.
Sikhona ke nesicelo esibhekiswe ngqo kumengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa sivela ebantwini besifazane.
We are asking the president to extend the vaccine rollout to under 35s as soon as possible, because we find that there are people under 35 that are ready to take the vaccine. We're also asking that we ensure that the vaccine reaches the most marginalized communities in South Africa, including migrant women, people living with disabilities, the LGBTQI communities, sex workers, women living on the streets, the elderly, and as well as women that are living in the most rural parts of our country.
Usihlalo wesikhungo esibhekele ukulingana ngokubulili gender equality uThamara Mathebula uthi nakuba ubonakala umsebenzi osewenziwe ukuthuthukiswa besifazane kodwa kusekuningi okumele kwenziwe.
I think there's still a lot of reflection and research that needs to happen that will look at gender transformation that still needs to be realized in the country, including issues of women economic empowerment in order to advance gender equality in South Africa.
Wathinta abafazi, wathinta imbokodo. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba ze-SABC.